We have expert option trading signals here. With Pipgems Signals app, we traded only 6 currencies, which are the only available option in the expert option app, so we have almost positive results here, trading with the signals. This method requires patience, but still, it is worth it. We got nearly 85% to 90% winning success rate. Let's start trading with the use of this method. Let us wait for the next Pipgems signal to appear. Here are the list of available assets to be traded. Euro USD, Euro GBP, USD CHF, AUD USD, GBP USD, and NZD USD. The rest are low return or low ROI. Okay, we got our signals from Pipgems Signals. GBP USD got sell alert confirmation for 1 minute. Let's go to the search tab, then navigate for GBP USD currency pair. As we can see here, a good position to trade going down. And we got active Bollinger Bands in our chart. Let's go trade going down on it. As we can see, we traded it for 3 minutes. And we can only trade this pairs for the minimum of 2 minutes, not with 1 minute. But anyway, we still can achieve great success on this, even if trading from 2 minutes up to 5 minutes. But we will make 2 minutes as our default trading duration. And we got also another trading alert, USD CHF, a sell alert confirmation. Let's navigate it to its available trading assets and have its active chart. It is in uptrend state, but we will follow the Pipgems Signals app and choose to trade for sell. And got our win on GBP USD currency. And also got a big win on USD CHF currency. The signal requires patience, so sit back and relax and wait for the notification alert. A uptrend signal for GBP USD. Let's navigate to its expert option chart. And let's trade going up on this, and as we can see clearly, the pattern has high chance for the trend to go up for the next minutes. We got win in our Pipgems app, and hoping that the trend will remain going up or stable. And got our winning trade on that. Euro GBP, an uptrend signal. Let's go trade up on this. And got our win on our Pipgems app, hoping that the 2 minutes duration is still a big win for the Euro GBP pair. And resulted with a winning trade. See the rest of the trading video and don't forget to like and subscribe with us to get the latest trading strategies with expert option and other trading brokers. Get the Pipgems app now at pipgems.com.